Good question for a non-designer. It makes people aware of issues that cause social change. I think it's great to focus on designs that focus on social happenings or social cause. Because I often think when I work at Tropic Knowledge, it is a way for the people there, they're rather creative people, come from design, come from agencies, and are not so much connected to social cause normally. And this is a good way for creatives to express and to have an impact and to use their talents and communicative skills to bring social issues to many different people.